Hello everybody, so today we're going to look at the final way of sorting data, and these are called Carroll diagrams. So we have got something that looks a little bit like a table, and we've got 4 sections here which we're going to sort things into. So your instruction is at the bottom. Put the numbers from 1 to 20 into the right boxes. And you can see here that you've got 4 different sets of criteria. You've got not odd, odd, and then here at the side we've got less than 10 and not less than 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to sort the numbers from 1 to 20 and put them in the correct places. So first of all, we're going to start with 1 and we're going to work our way up until we get to 20. It's the easiest way of doing it. So remembering, if a number is not odd, that also means that it is even. So just think about your even numbers and your odd numbers. If you need to refresh that, remember that even numbers are all the numbers that are in the 2 times tables. So they will end in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay? So the number 1, we know that the number 1 is odd, so it will appear in this side of your Carroll diagram. And we need to think about whether it's less than 10 or not less than 10. And of course, it is less than 10, so 1 will go in this part of the Carroll diagram. The next one is 2. Is 2 odd or even? Of course, it's even. So it's going to go in this side of the Carroll diagram. Is it less than 10 or not less than 10? Of course, it is less than 10. So it's going to go in here. So your job is now to decide, looking at your worksheets, whether you want to fill out the the mild, medium or spicy levels of difficulty for the Carroll diagrams. Complete those, or 3 if you wish to, that's absolutely fine. The difference with the spicy one is that the left-hand side criteria sections are empty. It's totally up to you as to which criteria you want to use, okay? Once you've done that, in the challenge section of your portfolio, I have put a link in there, and it's a task called Sort the Street. You can do this either on your computer, or you can print off the houses and have a go at doing it with the pictures. So here's a picture of 9 of the houses in my street. Find as many different ways to sort them into groups as you can. You may like to use this interactivity to drag the houses into the groups. So like I say, you can use the pictures of the houses, or you can scroll down here and use this interactivity. So let's have a little go at sorting some of the houses in different ways. And as we go along, we want to write down the different groups that we sort them into. So I can already see that there are 3 different colours of doors. We've got green, we've got black, and we've got blue. So I'm going to put all the green houses here, sort them into one group. I'm going to make another group with blue houses, and I'm going to make another group, doors, not houses, and I'm going to make another group with black doors. So that's one way of doing it, and I can write down, I sorted the houses into green doors, black doors and blue doors. And if you want to start again, sort them into a different way, you just press reset. This time I'm going to sort mine into, I can see that there are different numbers of windows. So I'm going to sort my houses into the different numbers of windows. I'm going to sort them into houses that have 3 windows on this side and houses that have more than 3 windows on this side. So I'm going to put more than 3 on the right hand side, and I'm going to pop 3 on the left. So as we can see, there are quite a few that have got more than 3 windows. Okay, so your job for the challenge is to try and find out as many ways as you can of sorting those houses. Write them down, send me a picture of them. Of course, you may do them using the computer, or you may do them by printing out the pictures of the houses and doing it that way.